Hey everybody, Chris here. In this video, we're going to be talking about up and down price targets for Dogecoin and also taking a look at other cryptos that are still running. Yes, altcoin season appears to be in order here. A lot going on, volatility in the market to start December. We're going to get into that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. I'll be live again on Monday afternoon, probably start around 3 o'clock East Coast time. We still have a lot to talk about beyond what just this video can show. So let's get into it, show you the news and the charts, show you what I'm looking at. We start here looking at the current Dogecoin chart, and after a dip overnight, yes, we had a pullback overnight. Market was not crashing. No, I keep hearing these comments like crash. It's like, no, it was a pullback, and I'll show you as I zoom out that it was pretty much predicted and recovering back up towards 43 cents right now. Bitcoin back up over 97K after falling down to 94,800. Again, swept out a bunch of leveraged, liquidated longs. And now as it's moving back up, and you heard the ding there, that's another short getting liquidated. Yes, taking out the shorts as well. What do we have? We've got Dogecoin. That's right. We've got Dogecoin on the shorts. There's a $300,000 Doge. There's a $119,000 Doge. $441,000 Doge. $644,000 Doge. Those are all shorts. The shorts getting liquidated. And that's right. These are new short positions too. These are people who are betting that Doge was going to continue to drop down below 40 cents, and it didn't. No, Dogecoin turned around, came up higher, and now those shorts are getting liquidated. As we zoom out, what do we see? Well, during the live stream on Sunday, we predicted that there would be a pullback, and I drew this white line here because people were saying, where do I buy in? When do I buy in? And I was like, and we were up here 44, touching 45 cents. And I was like, we could expect to see a pullback. And that pullback would look something like this. And I was targeting something just below 40 cents. I thought that we would probably test 39.9. And we almost got there. Almost got there. That was pretty close. So that's on the downside. Now on the upside, we were looking at 47 cents probably by Tuesday. So that is still in play, and then possibly up to 50 cents later on in the week. Those were the numbers we were talking about during the live stream. We are still in this overall upward channel that we've been watching as Dogecoin was bouncing off higher lows, and this could be a higher low here that we just had at about 41.1, 41.2. And as I'm recording this, there's more and more shorts are getting liquidated. That's a good sign. What else is going on, though? We still have a lot of movement in other big cryptocurrencies. Hedera, HBAR just continues to move up. We have XRP now $2.65. It touched 270, still moving up as well. And many others on the alt side are still running. And what does that mean? That means Bitcoin dominance continues to go down. That's right. Bitcoin dominance is going down because this is alt season. This is alt season. And what I looked at this morning was not only is this a sign of alt season, but we've seen this before. That's right. And as we zoom out and we look back to 2021, Bitcoin dominance was at 60% right there, and that was early April 2021. And then look what happened to Bitcoin dominance. And here we are again, same thing happening. We do see, again, these rhymes happen with the charts, and here we have Bitcoin dominance appears to be dropping off the table just like it did back in 2021. So that overall is what we see. Here's the overall Dogecoin chart. Again, we are targeting 73 cents here, possibly coming up, which would match the all-time high we had in 2021. a couple other things on Doge for what we were looking at in terms of the beginning of each month. And this was interesting. For the last 5 months, there has been a pullback at the beginning of every month, and then followed by sort of this trading up higher through the end of the summer into the fall, and then of course the rocket 160% gain in November. So this is just a pullback. That's all this is a pullback and not crashing. And so we are going to be looking at those higher price targets going forward. Dogecoin price, bulls target 50 cents resistance. That's right. Will we be seeing that 50-cent Doge soon? Right now, I am still encouraged that we're in that overall upward trend. Dogecoin is not having a huge pullback as we typically have seen in the past. Whenever Doge has gone on a 100% or even 200% run, it usually gets shorted all the way down. That's not happening now. I think we've got this launch countdown again to the inauguration, 49 days now to go. On Monday, January 20th, I'm going to be live all day that day. That's right, all day we'll be live. What's going to happen with Doge and other cryptos on that day? We will be watching. But meanwhile, Dogecoin's price action continues to attract attention. Popular cryptocurrency maintains its position above crucial support levels in early December trading. That's right. We see volumes showing increased activity. We see technical support levels forming below the current price. That's right. As we saw that dip coming down, maintained though support, and is now moving higher. So this was the dip that we saw this morning, and now since this was published, we are moving back up. Historical data shows December as a month of mixed results, but we have seen in the 4-year cycles, though, December has been very good. And if you didn't see my December price prediction video for Dogecoin on Sunday, check that out on my channel. That's a good video. That's a good video. My December price prediction. So you always have to check that out. And we'll talk about 2025 later. We'll touch on it in Monday's live stream. Is 2025 going to be the year of the Doge? But my actual predictions I'll be looking at in January. So where are these price targets for Doge? Is Doge in a monster uptrend? Very interesting. One of the things he's looking at, and this is Blunt's, he's looking at the Doge Bitcoin trading pair, which I show as well, going back to 2021. And we're seeing the breakout already, which I had predicted that Doge would outperform Bitcoin starting in September, and that is starting to work. And where is this going to go from here? A 1.618 fib would be an incredible run on Doge over Bitcoin. And as I said here on X here last night, was while Bitcoin is banging its head against the wall just below 100K, investors are flocking to alts, XRP, HBAR, Litecoin, Doge, while Bitcoin dominance is starting to drop. So, and then here I did that chart of the monthly pullbacks beginning of each month. And it's like, as Doge is down at 40 cents. This morning when I was getting coffee, I was just like, who's selling their Dogecoin? It's like, who's selling their Dogecoin? Follow me on X, Twitter, @ChrisPax. We have a lot of fun there. When I'm not here, either making my videos or on my live streams, there's just so much to talk about. And what about Dogecoin? These charts are all looking very positive for Doge. I mean, is Dogecoin going to outperform Ethereum? We were just talking about Doge and Bitcoin, but yes, we have the trend line broken for Doge versus ETH now. And that's a long trend line that not only back to 2021, but all the way to 2016. And we've broken that. And Trader Allen, just a reminder, the end of month, November, was the highest monthly close that Dogecoin has ever had. ever had. So new price targets, what's going on forward? These are the big things we're going to be looking forward to in 2025. Is there an ETF for Dogecoin? Is there a coming ETF for Dogecoin? And this article touched on it too. While Ali was looking at these future targets of Dogecoin's breakout as compared to Bitcoin. Again, this is the Doge Bitcoin breakout. What about Doge ETFs? And what kind of market cap could Doge have once this Dogecoin ETF actually happens? And is that something that could really happen? Does a Dogecoin ETF make sense? We're going to continue to watch this, but here's what some are saying, like Dogecoin has what most assets lack: a fiercely loyal fan base that would likely flock to an ETF product in troves. Regulators are warming to crypto as an asset class. Dogecoin might just ride the wave. The meme culture 2024 has been like the year of the meme tokens, right? Memes have really outperformed just about everything else, at least in the first 11 months of 2024. We now see a lot of the older altcoins making big runs. Like we said, XRP, Litecoin, Hedera, and others are now outperforming memes. And the meme thing will probably come back, but we're going to talk more later today on Monday, 2025, Year of the Doge, and we'll be looking more at that. But for now, we are looking at this overall recovery in Doge from the dip this morning, as well as most other cryptocurrencies. Did you buy anything on the dip? I did. I bought some more peak. That's right, on crypto.com. I picked up some more peak right here at about 40 cents. You can check out peak on crypto.com. I have a link in the description below. If you're interested in joining crypto.com, there's some free goodies if you join using my link. Peak is not yet trading on Binance or Coinbase. This project is so early. It's not a meme. It's not a meme token. It's an actual DePIN blockchain project that is new. And again, not telling you what to do, not financial advice, but I bought some more of this morning. So that's what's going on. Hey, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think are your price targets for Doge, high or low, or maybe both if you want to leave that. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.